Hey guys, today I'll be talking about this Toyota Scion FRS, and I'll show you where the fuse box locations are at. So if you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. That'll help me a bunch to grow my channel and post more videos, maintenance, fuse location, and so on. So if you look on the driver's side on the steering wheel, so if you want to know where the OBD port is for the computer or for DQ, it's right under here. If you look under, it's right there, this piece right here under the steering wheel. And the first fuse box location is right in here. The location is right there. And to open this cover, it's on this side right here. You just click on it right there and that comes off. And there's your fuses. To close it back up, just push it, line it up, just like that, and then click it. Once it's clicked, it's closed. So to get to the second one, you're gonna have to open the hood. To open the hood, it's right here, the latch. You just pull on it, and that opens your hood. So to open the hood, if you're new to cars, it's right here. Usually most of the hood's same. You just pull it this way and that thing goes up. Like I was saying, this thing right here, if you're new to cars. And then you take this, that's supposed to hold your hood. You put it right in here, and there you go. And the second fuse box location is right in here, under this box. To open the box, you just click this, and that cover comes up. And the location of the fuses are right here. Just like that. Some of you have to look this way. And there's your fuses. So to close it, you just line it up. So that's all I found for this car, the Toyota FRS. And if you know any other fuse box location on this car, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, like I said. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.